Hello, I am Ijaz. Working as a project manager, CRM, and virtual assistant services for last 4 years. So, as a project manager, CRM, I am offering multiple tools like ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, Airtable. If we talk about automation process, I am using Zapier and Mac.com. So, by the way, I am top rated on Upwork and level two seller on Fiverr. So, during my past 4 year experience, so I have completed multiple projects about CRM and project management. So, I am excited to help you and grow your business and grow your company. So that will be better if we conduct a quick Zoom call and we will discuss further because I have some question. So let me know your ability, then let's connect. Thank you.